Breaking news for Precalculus students that are taking AP Precalculus. We have this cool app here for you that can solve all of these problems that you will encounter during your AP in your AP curriculum, such as functions, vectors, matrices, trigonometry, complex numbers, conic sections, parametrics, and also polar, which they forgot here conveniently. But all of that good stuff is part of the app. Let me give you an overview. If you click on menu and function, you can analyze any function in the world. Just type it in, find shift a function, up, down, left, right, and find intersection, composition, and whatnot. Average rate of change. All of that is here. If your polynomials specifically can be analyzed here. You can find the degree, the concavity, do a regression, analyze them using this explorer. So it's possible rational zeros. You can factor it, fundamental theme of calculus, more than you would ever need in your life. For exponents and logarithms, we have also everything that you would ever need. Solving exponential or money growth problems, half-life, triple life. These things probably look familiar to you if you've done this course already. Exponential, logarithmic regression, which you will be doing during the school year. Further, vectors are here, of course. That's obviously an optional topic, but it's covered here as well. So you can find the angle, you can find the norm, the unit vectors, a cross product, no problem. Matrices is also an optional optional topic, so that can all be done here. And then lastly, the trigonometry, anything trigonometry related, solve trig problems, analyze trig function, sine, cosine, convert rectangular coordinates to polar, complex, evaluate a polar function, and also do the parametric function and analyze a conic equation. So you're in really good hands. Let me show you a few cool examples. Conic section, you enter this, that's obviously a circle. So it tells you it's a circle centered at 0 with a radius of 3. It gives you a circumference and area as well. If you change it to minus, those of you that are good at this, they realize, oh, that's actually hyperbola. So it finds a hyperbola, the center, and the major and minor axes. So this is all pretty cool stuff. Trig identities or trig functions. Let me just show you how you can quickly convert rectangular coordinates 3, 4 into polar coordinates, right, using the standard conversion formulas. Radius is just 5, and the angle is inverse tangent of 4/3, which is this, or I give it to you also here as in degree the angle instead of in radian. So it's that simple to use. Let me continue. Matrices. If you are given two matrices and you have to add them, it couldn't be nicer and easier, right? So if you enter matrix A and B here, you multiply them, you get your answer right there. You change an input and you immediately change your output. Now here with an 8 in the bottom instead of a 4, you get a different answer. So that's how the app works. You just plug in your problem and you get your answer in no time at all. Maybe functions. Compositions are always a big topic. Type in your function that you like, f and g, and scroll up, and then you see f of g of x is this, x plus 2 cubed. And optionally, if you plug in 3 into that composition, you're going to get 125. If you plug in, let's say, 4, you don't get 125, but you get 216. So it works like a charm. Also, lastly, all these other tabs have good information for you, such as the unit circle is in here. Under 1.3, you can see how the orange graph is shifted up, down, left, and right with the graphs here. So there's a lot of more good stuff shown, e to the x and the inverse ln of x in a different tab. You will learn about semi-log plots, which can be done right here. And also you get to graph polar functions, which is maybe the most fun part of the year. And if you change a function, you can immediately see what the new graph then looks like. And then of course the trig functions and their reciprocals, like here you see the sine and the reciprocal of sine called cosecant. And yeah, so the app can do a whole lot for you. You can download it at Ti-NspireApps.com. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.